Hello, welcome to Lakshman Art Scotland YouTube channel. So, as you can see, I have a sketch. I would say this is one of the most difficult subject matters that I am going to try and paint. This is my beloved Edina, my own pet dog. So you can see her images and the videos together with this painting as it progresses. Um, I kept postponing doing her portrait, and I've been doing so many other people and animals of or that belongs to other people, pets like cats and dogs. But finally, I think I found the courage to record me painting or trying to paint, or rather trying to produce a portrait of her. So let us see how this develops. I think in this video I'm going to take you through various stages. So the first stage, after sketching, because I did not sketch this, rather record me sketching it, but I would say I used the grid method and tried to roughly get an idea onto the canvas. This can evolve a bit, but more or less what I'm now going to do as a second step after sketching is to block paint, or in other words, like, this is Edina. So I'm going to try and focus on these various major color blocks in her photograph. So basically I'm going to try and apply the overarching darker blocks of color to start with, so that I can then attempt bringing her to life. Thank you. Keep on watching. So thank you for watching so far, but this is just the beginning. I thought I would give you a flavor of what I was painting or planning to do. So I will get back to you with the complete painting, and Edina is now excited to see what it is, how her portrait is going to be produced. So this is just a starter for this painting. Thank you.